What if everything you've lived had already happened? What if the universe were trapped in an eternal cycle, repeating everything, life after life, age after age? Today, we explore one of the most unsettling theories in cosmology, the cyclic universe. The idea that the universe repeats itself is not new. Ancient philosophers like the Stoics, and many Eastern cultures, already believed in infinite cycles. According to them, everything happens, disappears, and starts again. This idea, known as the eternal return, is one of the foundations of the cyclic universe theory. In the cyclic universe model, the Big Bang isn't the absolute beginning, it's the restart of a previous cycle. The universe expands, cools down, collapses into a big crunch, and is reborn in a new Big Bang. An eternal cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. If the universe repeats infinitely, the concept of past and future becomes relative. Everything has already happened, and will happen again. Time isn't a straight line, but a closed spiral. And you? You may have lived this exact life countless times before. Physics has explored the idea of an oscillating universe, infinite cycles of expansion and contraction. Though dismissed for a time, new theories like quantum cosmology are revisiting the possibility. The universe might recycle itself, avoiding a definitive end. If everything repeats, including you, then has your consciousness already lived this exact moment? What if that feeling of déjà vu exists because you've already experienced it, in another cycle? A circular view of time raises deep questions about what it truly means to be. Some believe that memories of past lives might be remnants from previous cycles. What if reincarnation is simply the same consciousness returning in a new cycle of the same universe? Have you ever had strange dreams that felt more real than life itself? One major objection to a cyclic universe is entropy, the natural increase of disorder. Each cycle would need to reverse that buildup. How could a new universe start clean, without the scars of the last? Some theories suggest total collapse erases all information. What if the universe doesn't just repeat, but exists in multiple parallel versions? The multiverse may contain infinite realities, some nearly identical to ours. The cyclic universe could be just one of many loops, all coexisting across dimensions. Another unsettling theory: we're inside a simulation, and the loop is programmed. Reality restarts like a game after each ending. If that's true, then nothing is real. And maybe, whoever is watching already knows what you're going to do next. In ancient philosophy and modern physics, some see the universe as a symphony repeating in harmonic cycles. Vibrating strings, resonant frequencies. Each cycle is a different variation of the same song, playing again and again across eternity. If the universe always restarts, then the end of the world is just a pause. Apocalypses would be resets. The final collapse is also a birth. Just like leaves fall before spring, the universe would be reborn after every ending. Scientists and philosophers create thought experiments to understand if the universe could be cyclical. One suggests, if you roll a die an infinite number of times, eventually you'll see the same sequence. What if the universe is that die, being rolled forever? The idea that everything repeats can be terrifying, or freeing. If you've lived this life millions of times, what choices would you make now? What if you remembered one detail, and it changed everything? Maybe free will is just the echo of something that already happened. If the universe is a cycle, is there a way out? Ancient cultures spoke of enlightenment, a state that breaks the eternal loop. Could some consciousnesses awaken, while the rest keeps spinning forever? Maybe the universe doesn't just repeat out there, but inside us. The structure of the cosmos and the mind might be the same. A cosmic mirror, reflecting consciousness in endless cycles. And while you watch this, something deep inside already knew the ending. The universe is bigger than we can comprehend. And its mysteries are only beginning. Every day, a new video awaits you here. If you're drawn to the unknown, then you're in the right place. Subscribe, and keep exploring the dark side of the cosmos with us.